Hi, my name is Collin John. I'm an assistant professor at D.Y. Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. I've done my college education from IHM Dadar, and after that I have joined the Oberoi group of hotels and resorts, and I worked there for around 37 years. I'm a professor for food and beverage. So apart from food and beverage, I teach wine, bartending, we organize events, seminars, conference. So the student gets to learn much more than hospitality, because certain seminars and conferences are connected to the industry, but it is much more and above it. Basically, after serving this industry for so long, I think F&B is much more than you do for textbooks, answers and all that stuff. F&B has been passion, and not only passion, it's getting connected to people. That's more of a passion for me. Yeah, I wanted to give back to my students, the younger generation which is coming up. Whatever I have learned in my 35 years, why not I give it back to them? All these years I had kept all these things close to my chest. But today, since I've become a professor, I want to give back to them so that they learn and pursue their careers in various roles, in various fields where the hospitality industry is wide open today. Apart from our teaching, when we do conduct seminars and conferences, we also take the students for industrial visits, which helps them to know exactly what we are teaching us. I teach them by about 3 or 4 methods. One is by the word of mouth, one is through my PPTs, one is through videos. The infrastructure in D.Y. Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism is quite good. We are still improving on it. We are still trying to implement things what are in the industry, what is the current trend happening all around the world, and with that we are trying to get things into this college, so that students come to know when they go back to the industry for their internship training. They will know exactly that whatever is existing in the hotel is existing in the college. If I have to end with it, I would definitely tell F&B is the heart of this industry. But apart from this, we have also choices which are open today, like the cruise liners, we have got retailers, we've got jobs at the catering services in hospitals, in hotels, you get event management, and you can even opt at being an entrepreneur of your own.